Boss!
Boss!
Boss, ikaw pala yan!
Buhay-buhay!
Tara guys!
When I met you.
That's why I am attending the word camp as well, because I want to.
Yo, what's up? It's Blast. Baligtad! Hindi niya babasaw. Baligtad, bro. Baligtad eh. So yeah, it's World Camp, and we're here to be the guest performer.
Let's go!
As we sing When I Met You by Apo Hiking. Apo Hiking. I'm here together with Gab, Marco, Jimin, and our bad boy Aaron. Hey, let's go, Pinono. Outfit inspired by Pablo. Outfit inspired by Gothic.
Inspired by Catherine.
By the waiter.
Outfit.
Yo, look at the shoes. Look at the tuxedo. Everything.
Inspired by Nowhere.
Huh?
So we're very nervous, but at the same time we're excited, di ba?
So yeah, we're gonna show you around. So maraming tao sa loob. Nandito yung venue. Hello po, ikaw po yung waiter ko.
Ayaw, sa ko.
Parang nagugutom ako. Oo nga. Ano yung pagkain dito? Ang dami, buffet yata to. May alam mo ba pagkain dito, boss?
Tanong niyo sa waiter.
Sorry. Sino ba waiter dito?
Boss!
Ay, ayun!
Ay!
Boss!
Oh my God! Ano gusto niyo, boss?
Ano ba?
May nilagang dinosaur po tayo, boss.
Ano?
Nilagang dinosaur.
Nilagang dinosaur? Oh, parang masarap yan ha. Ngayon lang nakarinig niyan. Magkano ba, boss? Magkano?
Ito, boss. Hangin.
Oh my gosh! Ba?
Boss, ano pa gusto niyo, boss?
Naghahanap kasi ako yung gusto kong mainitan yung chan ko eh.
Ito, boss, para mainitan yung
Ano bang ino-offer niyo, boss, na alam, yung parang specialty niyo?
Ito, boss. Kampak ko to sa'yo, boss.
Boss, huwag lang kayo magalit, boss.
Sorry, boss. Ito, boss. Specialty namin, boss.
Wow, puro naman walang laman, boss eh.
Di nyo lang nakikita, boss.
Ay,
Ako lang
multo?
Ako
Multo
lang
yan?
nakakita niyan, boss.
Sige, boss. Parang gutom na rin ako eh. Magkano?
Ito, boss, 25K. Di nyo lang nakikita, boss.
Ano ba yun? Ba't pumasok sa loob? Dito, balik ka. Boss, magkano kasi yung pagkain? Nagugutom na talaga.
25K, boss. May
25K?
lowest price tayo, boss.
Lowest price? Magkano?
11K and 1 peso.
Grabe yun yung lowest price nyo, 11K.
Yes, boss. Ano sa'yo, boss?
Buti, magkarinderya na. Wala namang laman yan eh. Tingnan mo. Wala oh.
Ako lang nakakakita niyan, boss. Chill ka lang.
Grabe, may powers ka ba, boss?
Yes, boss. May triple I po ako, boss.
Boss? Boss? Teka lang. Parang familiar ka. Akin yung kamay mo, boss. Tanggalin mo muna. Ang hirap eh. Wait lang. Boss! Boss, ikaw pala yan!
Buhay-buhay!
Nangluloko ka naman ng tao eh.
With my own pocket, with my own money, so I enrolled for a Scrum Master certification. And
Who's ready for a performance? Very good. Let's get everybody along. Help me welcome, please, Aaron, Simon, Marku, Janet, and Gab, the newest P-pop idols from Cebu, Blast! You gave me a reason for what I'm feeling. You give me a reason.
singer.
Hello everyone, my name is Jared and I am the main vocal of the group.
Hi, my name is Gab and I am the main dancer and whistle. So yeah, together we are Blast!